we're here at 100 Baht Shop. Dun pa lang alam niyo na kung ano yung mga presyo, no? 100 lang lahat. Syempre, yung mga mabibili niyo naman dito is ano lang naman. Syempre, souvenirs and yung mga famous sa Bangkok, sa Thailand. We'll show you inside. Maliit lang siyang shop and it's located here in front of Platinum Mall, Burger King and December's. Tapos sa kabilang side. I'll show you inside. Of course, yung mga famous inhalers. Of course, ano na rin siya, pag yung package, meron na rin parang pag wholesale. Crispy vegetables. Pang pasalubong. And cosmetics. 100. Pero meron ding, syempre, hindi ring ano. Pag maramihan yung bibilin mo, parang ano yata siya. Ano din? More than 100 din. Like, yun. Hindi pala siya 100 baht lang each. Oh, they also accept Visa credit cards, Mastercards. Bibili kami ng ano dito. Something na mapapasalubong din. Mga sweets, jellies, delicacies. Yung iba hindi naman siya from Thailand originally. Eto, gusto ni Papa. Paste na lang kasi gusto niya ng soup eh. Hindi ko nang mauwi yung soup. Paste na lang. Oo. Ito masarap eh. Ayan, lahat to favorite ni Hazel. Nuts. Mga sampalok. Dried fruits. Durian. Mango. Solid eh. Malaki pa siya sa loob. Meron ding mga ref magnets, keychains, pouch bags. Oh, lighter. Candies and all. Madami din siya dito. Oh, wait lang bago ko makalimutan. Bilang ko na si Papa nito. Tom Yum paste. O edi ikaw na lang gumawa ng Tom Yum soup mo pa. Tom Yum paste na lang, Papa. Hindi na Tom Yum soup. Hindi pwede. Hindi ko mauwi yung Tom Yum soup. Crispy grapes. Dried? No. Freeze and dried. Banana chips. What's that? What's this? Magmag. What's this? Dried plum. Dried plum. Yeah. Wait. I'll show you something. Which one? Four piece of this? 100. Ah, okay. We can mix. Ah, okay, wait. This is jelly, right? Jelly. Mahal ko. 4 pieces of this, 100. Jelly. That's, yeah, I'll get the, come, pick up flavor. Come here. Leave it. Here. Go inside, go inside. Oh, you pick, so 4 pieces of this, 100.
Yeah. All for one.
Okay. Okay, 1. Get another more. Watermelon. Ah, anything here.
Yeah, anything.
Ah, anything. This what? What's this? Grape?
Yogurt.
Ah, yogurt. Oh, yogurt. That's yogurt. What else? It's okay, we'll put 2 strawberries.
How about candy? Soft candy.
No, it's okay. Only for her. No, it's okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Ako po, nakarami na po. May 4 kagad siya. That was the jelly that Tita gave you in the airplane, right? Sorry. Mango gummy. Ang sarap. Yan. Of course, di mawawala ang Big Shake.